The 2025 Genesis G90 is a luxurious and technologically advanced full-size sedan that's been making waves in the automotive industry with its impressive design, advanced features, and exceptional performance capabilities. In the highly competitive full-size luxury sedan segment, the G90 competes with the likes of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Audi A8. However, with its unique blend of style, substance, and value, the G90 stands out from the crowd. Genesis, the luxury division of Hyundai, was launched in 2015, and the G90 was one of the first models to be introduced under the new brand. Since its launch, the G90 has been praised for its luxurious interior, advanced technology features, and exceptional performance capabilities. With its sleek and aerodynamic design, the G90 cuts through the air with ease, reducing wind resistance and improving fuel efficiency. The sedan's front fascia features a distinctive grille, LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that adds to its aggressive charm. At the rear, the G90 features a sleek and modern design, with LED taillights and a dual exhaust outlet. Inside, the G90 is just as impressive, with a premium cabin that's packed with advanced technology features. The sedan's 12.3-inch touchscreen display is intuitive and easy to use, with features like navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The G90 also features a range of premium materials, including leather-trimmed seats, wood trim, and metal accents. The sedan's exterior design is both elegant and aggressive, making it a great choice for those who want a luxurious and stylish vehicle. Its advanced smart cruise control system, impressive interior space, and distinctive exterior design make it a great choice for anyone who wants a luxurious and capable full-size sedan. With its competitive pricing, premium design, and exceptional performance capabilities, the G90 is well worth the investment for anyone who wants a top-of-the-line full-size luxury sedan.